what's going on, everybody? I've got another unboxing here today, and this time it is the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. And I know this thing has been out for several months now, but with the chip shortage that's affecting supplies globally, computers, phones, etc., it's been slim pickings. It's been a little bit difficult trying to get your hands on this, especially if you are going for one of these 16 gigabyte of RAM versions, whether you're talking about one of the Ryzen processors from AMD or the Intel Core i7. If you're looking for 16 gigabytes of RAM, and really even the 32 gigabyte of RAM version, which I think comes in matte black, it's been difficult. I finally found this through ANT, an Amazon seller, and picked it up, but they're already sold out again. So this is the i7 16 gigabyte of RAM version, of course, 11th generation Core i7, and this is the 15-inch version. I kind of preferred something smaller, like a 13-inch, but I personally really dislike the Alcantara finish. Some people like that. That's awesome. I'd prefer an all-metal finish, so I went with the 15-inch version. So as you see here, it's just a pretty minimalistic white box here. You've got your Windows logo. It says Microsoft Surface Laptop, and a photo of the laptop you got in the color you got. And then on this side here, it says Microsoft Surface Laptop 4, and nothing on either side of the smaller sides there, the shorter sides. And then I'll turn this around and show you the back, cover some of these serial numbers here, and it says Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 15-inch. Tells you what it includes. It says Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 with Windows 10 Home power supply, support for Wi-Fi 802.11ax and Bluetooth 5.0. And on the bottom here, bottom corner, tells you what model you went with. I got the Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 in the 11th gen Intel Core i7 processor, 512 gigabytes of storage, and 16 gigabytes of RAM. And I got this in platinum. So let us unbox this thing. You've got a pull tab here on the bottom. I don't know if you see that, right here on the bottom. So hopefully this will be pretty simple. All right. Okay, there we go. This off to the side here, and let's go. So there we go, and that is, I'm not used to laptops quite this size. This is a big boy, but it's going to be really nice having a display this large. So there you have it, the Surface Laptop 4 15-inch. Let's take this out of the box, put it off to the side just for a moment, and see what else we get. So this, I believe, will be the power supply. Indeed it is. And you know, some people are not a big fan of the Surface connector, or whatever they call it, but I think it's great, because there have been times where I've hit that wire while charging my laptop, and I was very, very grateful for this magnetic connection that saved the laptop from any spills. So I like this thing. I know some people would rather just USB-C charging, and I believe you can charge the laptop via USB-C as well, but I will probably take this with me when I travel and not just charge through USB-C. So let's put that off to the side. And we've got, I presume, some warranty info and booklets here. It says Microsoft Surface Laptop. It tells you a bit about the product, and this is just a piece of cardboard. So Microsoft trolling us with the cardboard. And put this right back in here. So yeah, it's simple what this thing comes with. You get your power adapter, some info, and of course, the star of the show, the laptop itself. Let's go. put this box off to the side as well. Give you a better view of this Surface laptop. You really can't go wrong with the design here. A very high-grade aluminum. Surface Products known very much for their build quality, and just a very professional design as well. Let's do this one finger open test, and here you go. You see no problems at all. This thing opened up. I'll bring this closer to me so that I can open it up all the way for you. And there we go. The laptop is already starting. And this beautiful, beautiful piece of machinery here. I love the keyboard. I like the typing experience on Surface Products. I personally prefer that there's no number pad. I really like how everything is centered. I think the trackpad is just about the best you can get on a PC, and for me that includes MacBooks. You know, the MacBook has quite a large trackpad, as does the Samsung Galaxy Book 360. But as far as the function of the trackpad, I don't think it gets better than the Surface one. And yeah, let's get set up here. My language will be English. And as I do that, I forgot that this is a touchscreen. As I do that, I'll also show you a little bit around this laptop here. And like I said, here's how it looks.
I'm Cortana.
Hey,
and
Cortana.
I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
So on the side here, you've got your Surface Connect port and nothing else. And by the way, this is a very nice and thin laptop, as you can see here. Really, really nice. On the other side here, we've got a regular USB-A port, USB-C port, and a headphone jack. So not too much in the way of ports, but enough to get you started there, and should be enough for any of your peripherals, especially considering a lot of these peripherals are simply connected through Bluetooth these days. No Thunderbolt 4, which is a bummer for some. I don't think it'll affect my workflow any, but something to keep in mind. Taking a look at the back of the device, see your fans there for cooling. A nice strong hinge. I am using this to replace my original Surface Book 1. And there you see the bottom of the device. It says Microsoft. This is made in China. Otherwise quite clean. And thankfully, no gosh darn stickers on this thing, which was quite annoying on some computers. We are in. I also had not realized how much I had gotten used to this 3:2 aspect ratio that the Surface line provides. Of course, the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro and Pro 360 are both a 16:9 aspect ratio. I guess it would have been better if they went to 16:10. To me, there's not much of a difference between 16:10, 16:9, but I really do like 3:2, and it just makes it look like you've got a much larger display in general, even though you technically don't if you're measuring diagonally. So that's it. This Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 15-inch is set up. This is the Core i7 version. Once again, 512 gigabytes of storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM in Platinum. Again, these have been really difficult to come by because of the chip shortage. I will continually update the description of this video to include a link to this device whenever I come across it. And once those devices are gone, I'll try to find a replacement link to put up there. So in case you want to get one of these, for me, if I'm in the market for an Ultrabook, it is definitely between the Surface Laptop 4 and the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360. I know there are plenty of awesome options out there, and for me, things like design and materials are very, very important, and most PC manufacturers out there, I guess, just don't meet what I like as far as PC design, so that certainly limits my options. I will be pairing this device and using it with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra that you see here. Pretty similar colors. Of course, this one kind of changes with the angle and lighting, but both are sort of a silverish. And that's that, everybody. If you've got any questions about this computer or anything else, leave them in the comment section down below. And you know I will have more videos coming up about some of the latest smartphones and PCs. As always, hit that subscribe button if you would like to catch those as soon as they are out. Stay safe, everyone. Have a wonderful summer, and I'll see you in the next one.